Hello, it's Jay here again, and welcome to another tutorial. So in this video we're going to start getting the code in place that's going to handle the damage for our special move. So I've got the stat scripts open, the black robot stats and S1 movement. So if you need to, pause the video and open all three scripts and then we'll begin. And we'll start in the stat script. And with the black robot stats, let's define public int underscore. So we'll say black robot. I'll use let's say special move energy ball. I'll put damage as well. Let's make this equal to, I'll use the value of 12 for now. Put it into the comments, defines the damage done by energy ball. And that's the only line we actually need in that script for now. And now we'll come to the black robot stat script. Public static int and let's say energy ball damage. And again into the comments. So damage done by energy ball. Let's just come to the void start. Let's just copy one of the lines. Change the first variable to energy ball damage equals and black robot special move energy ball damage. I'll break it up for commenting. And we'll just copy the naming conventions in. And we will actually copy that for now. I'll paste it into the refresh stats function just in case we need to use it again for testing. Let's just hit save all, and that's all the code we actually need for those. Now we can come to the S1 movement and we'll create a variable, and I'll make it public. Now really it wants to be private, but I'll make it public to begin with, just so we can actually see it working in the inspector. So I've created a public int current damage value by energy ball. And again we'll just put that into the comments. And we'll come to the void start now. And we'll use that new variable, current damage value energy ball. It's going to equal, and we'll reference the black robot stat script dot underscore energy ball damage. Let's close that off. So I'm running through this fairly quickly, and that's because it's nothing different to what we've already done for the high and low punch and kicks as well. So I'm just breaking this up for commenting, saying this that variable is going to equal we'll say energy ball damage from the Black Robot stats script. And that's all we need for now. And let's have a look. We'll actually create another function. I'm going to put it here between the onTrigger enter and hit explosion function. It can be of type private void, and we'll give this a naming convention. Let's just say apply energy ball damage. We'll put the brackets in as normal. We'll put in a debug log as well, just for now. And let's just copy the hit explosion line for now, and we'll paste that into the apply energy ball damage function. Then we'll copy the name of that function and we'll just paste it in here. So we're just calling that function. And we're just going to cut and paste, the destroy game object line as well. We're just going to comment out this part for the if collision does not equal tag. And we'll just concentrate on this part. We'll come back to this probably at a later date. So apply energy ball damage. So let's say opponent AI state is going to equal the opponent AI state and and we'll just use the opponent hit by, let's use the low kick, and we'll close that off. So it should be the underscore opponent AI state there. So we'll just change that. And let's put this into the comments. Now we will create a new AI state for when the opponent is hit by a special move, but this, we'll just set it for this for now. And let's just save that off. Let's just hit play and we'll just test that out as it is at the moment. So again, I've just muted the audio just to help while I'm talking. So there we go. We can see the opponent now reacting. And let's just pause it while the energy ball is on screen. We'll select the energy ball and we'll come down to the S1 movement, and as you can see the current damage value now is 12, which is what we set it at in the stat script here. So that part of the code is working fine and the opponent's reacting, and what we'll need to do now is we'll just need to apply the damage itself, because we need to add things in the opponent AI. We'll leave that and we'll pick that up in the very next video. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope to see you next time, and until then, as always, bye for now.